Hello. Hi. Hi, any occasional visitor of my channel. Right now it's not popular. Maybe it will never be. Today I have to start slightly later because I was slightly exhausted and just got home very late, basically exactly at 9 p.m. But today was a day after extensive shopping with my wife and my mother-in-law, and I don't know what about you. Me, I like to go shopping with my wife and so on. But give me 1 second. I'll remove sound on my computer, on my phone. I like to go shopping with my wife, but when you visit like different shops in 4 hours in a row and buying multiple products which you need and which probably your girls think they they needed it. Of course, it's slightly, even physically, not only emotionally, it's even physically slightly hard. So I fit everything we bought. It took me a long to fit it all in the car. I didn't make a photo, but believe me. And I have SUV, so it was pretty a lot. But truly we bought something for home organization, like some rack for garage, so it will help us organize the things, and they took a lot of place. So they took like two adult persons place fully. So and because of it, the car looks really fully filled with everything, with products and everything. Okay, today we should try to create a video, and after like my adventure shopping adventure, I just don't have enough enough power to do that, emotional and physical. So let's try to do something else. I just want to try create some accessories for my stream. What I mean, we can of course create some screen beautifier, let's say some I don't remember any word in English, sorry. So some frame, for example, with some text. So you just go to the stream and you see that it's stream of romantic developer and so on, but it's something you can see also in description or in channel about section, which I should write. It's more about something which will create unique atmosphere here. So I have compound microscope here. I just don't have a lot of space around me to put it away. I can cover it with something, but anyway, maybe we can work on some surrounding and some accessories, maybe some like glasses for computer reading, and we can add some attributes for that which are related to channel name, like romantic and developer. So what we can do, maybe we can try to see what recommendation we could receive from the different places. So for example, I could switch to Midjourney. It's how I generate the things for titles for my streams. I just creating some logo, and then I just add text over it in Adobe Express. which is completely free and unique tools. It's like Canva, but I like more than Canva because of its free capabilities, working in teams, etc., etc. So Canva is good, but Adobe Express is also cool. And again, it's product of Adobe company, which is, I believe, leader in multimedia products like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, After Effects, even PDF, and so on. Illustrator, Lightroom. What else I have used? Probably something else, but yeah. Okay, anyway. So what? Okay, maybe we can start with our ChatGPT. Maybe even not temporary chat. Let's just create a new chat. Yeah, we did multiple tryouts, how to summarize transcript, how to create short ideas, etc. Now we'll just ask a few questions. What would be cool attributes for a stream of the channel, for YouTube stream of the channel with name romantic developer? Okay, let's just ask like that without specifying any additional details. So can be here attributes you could make channel stand out, theme colors, okay, login banner, video thumbnails, content ideas, romantic coding projects, and romantic themes such as like glove calculators and date planner, date ideas. Interesting. Love stories in Tech. Share stories of famous tech couples, interviews with developer couples. Code and chill. Okay. Community engagement, love and QI session, viewer challenges, etc. Personal touch. Storytelling, advice and tips. Quiz. You know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. What accessories? I don't know. Maybe accessories. It would be accessories in clothes or streamer style would be good to add. Yeah, I know that I write word would not exactly properly. Custom t-shirt. Okay. Coding with love, the booking of hearts. Good. Hats and caps. Stylish hat and caps with embroidered romantic touch logos as symbols. Cool. Hoodies. Cool. Scarves. What is scarves? Jewelry. Necklace or bracelets with charm. Let's just search for the scarves. What is scarves? Images. Oh, it's scarf. Scarves. Okay. Maybe it could be worn on hat. But I know that it's scarves. Maybe scarves is multiple of scarf. Maybe, you see, I still need to learn English. Define scarves. Scarf. Yeah, it's, you know, it's multiple of scarves. Nice. Interesting. Okay, where is our ChatGPT? It's here. Jewelry. Bracelets with charms that combine touch symbols and romantic motifs like USB hearts or binary love code. Background decor. Interesting. Probably we will create something like that. Desk setup, customized mousepads, Teams keyboard. Okay, lighting, mood lighting. Oh, it's something I can do. I have some studio light, small studio light, which can bring some colors. Okay, yeah, it's something we can do it very quickly. Chair accessories, streaming overlay and graphics. Yeah, it's custom overlays. It's what I said that, like, yeah. transition effects, personal touch, signature looks, season variations. Okay, hat or scarf. I thought something which hat scarf is cool. What else I can do? I said maybe, yeah, about some glasses. Can that streamer wear some interesting glasses? Heart-shaped glasses, retro touch frames, LED glasses. Oh, it's nice. Cool. LED glasses, I like it. Transparent frames, cat-eye frames, round frames, customizable. So let's imagine I want to create some glasses for such streams. That looks nice. Just hurts a nice for romance, but I want a combination of romance and development. A lot of issues, errors, but you see, it's not a big issue. So we need basic frame, LED strip, a flexible programmable LED strip, or small individual LEDs, microcontroller, Arduino Nano. We will wear Arduino Nano. Battery pack, small light with battery pack to power LED, wiring and connectors. Okay, decorative elements, small heart-shaped encoding team decorates tiny heart stickers, miniature circuit board pieces, hot glue gun or epoxy, soldering kit for connection, electronic components, software. Okay, step by step, develop your layout, plan where you want to place the LED. So frame, clean the glasses frame, attach small heart encoding team decoration to the frame. Okay, so let's start with the frame. Memory updated. Okay. Let's go to our Midjourney and let's. Well, actually, we can start here. Can you propose an image of glasses frame in style of romantic developer? Could you please share several ideas? Could you please generate actual images for above? Let's see if with this environment, but I Canva. Okay, is it because we are on free version? Can you generate an image, please? Analyze it. Okay, it's executing Python. Okay, while it's generating, we can switch here and a glass frame in style of romance and software development. Suitable for live YouTube streamer. Let's just ask very simple. Chaos 10. 16 to 9 version 6.1. It's good. Speed, stylization, variety 10. Okay. So let's check what is here. Okay, love. Okay, that doesn't look very good, or you think differently. Let's see how image looks in different tab. Ways, go, open. I don't know, it's trying to, I download it as file without name. Okay, and for some reason my 3D slicer decided to open that image but couldn't. Let's just ask edit image. Okay, basically that's it. Nice, nice, nice. Where's our stream? Now let's start a new chat. Interesting. What's that? Glasses. I'm sorry, glasses. Not glass, of course. But it is nice. I don't know what is software. Where is here the software? It's nice about software. It's not a, yeah, romance, maybe just colors. Oh, that looks better. But you know, it's just simple glasses. So let's switch back to here. Oh, you know, it's nice. Just hearts. Where's my ChatGPT? So let's try go back where it's proposed some ideas. Tools you can use. So image classic round frame with tiny engraved hearts along the top edge and coding brackets along the bottom edge. Let's try that one. Picture modern slick frame with glasses frame with a lead strip. Yeah, let's just try out few things. Okay, and let's try that glasses frame. So what else? Binary love. Okay. Interesting. The strip is exactly on the eye, on the glass, yes. Let's try that idea. Can you please write me 5 mid journeys prompts for generating romantic developer glasses. I could use those images for the inspiration. Okay, I believe that it cannot use some of plugin which generate images in free version, because we are still on the free version of ChatGPT's, yeah, here. And it says in Plus we will have access to DALL-E image generation. And what we ask actually is DALL-E image generation. Yeah, let's stick to free. I have paid version, but we can try its. Is that it? Okay, hertz code frames, copy code, and let's try. Actually pretty cool designs, but all over them. So I will not read, I'll just copy the code, and we try to generate some cool ideas of glasses. For some reason it came to my mind that it could be glasses. So let's try all the 5 prompts and we'll see the images right now. Choose the image and it would be our start. So that idea is pretty cool. So what we have some LED strip around the glass itself, and inside we also have some LED strip, but it should be really tiny so it could lights up. And here we have some text. Yeah, looks like very technical solution. It's just simpler, but again it has some LED on the glass. Probably we can see how complex to create such things. It's pretty cool, you know. It's like motherboard or like some board, circuit board on the glasses, and some, yeah, actually it's pretty cool. It's less attractive because a lot of information in glass itself which we couldn't afford. It's not interesting, but that one is very cool. So if we will try to strong variation, let's see how it will work. That classic, but again on the glass, that is nice. It's like transparent. That all in the glass, so not work for us. That is nice, just hertz and LED, but no developer. It's nice, but no developer. Let's see what other ideas we have. Oh, it's interesting. Okay, it's our topic we discussed. So like motherboard, circuit board, let's try to open that image here. Looks pretty cool. Maybe I just want to save that image as well. Where is my other ideas? Okay, that is not related. That is nice. It's like from Matrix. I like LEDs here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and that doesn't work. Love. Oh, interesting design of. Yeah, if they will be like sun, like against sun, yes, how it's called. Then you can hide some wiring and LEDs on the other side. It's a good idea. That is just as is. Okay, so we have such idea with hertz and basically it. Oh, and that is the variation, yes. Yeah, that is the variation of what we had before from that. Okay, probably we will go to things verse. So let's try to go to things verse. Okay, let's go to things verse now. Things verse. And let's try to find some. Actually, what we need to do, we need glasses as well. We can't do it without glasses because we want some LED strip on the glass itself. So we need to buy some cheap blue light blocking glasses, because I don't have some problems with my eyes, so I don't need any like reading glasses with just clear glasses will work. Then we can print something or just do it from paper, attach to the glass frame some symbols like hearts, or we could maybe 3D scan the glasses, remove glass from glasses, 3D scan them and then print them, and before printing we can put some ideas into the 3D object itself, so when we print they will already have something on it. It's pretty cool because we can try to mimic circuit board on that. But let's see what we have. Let's just see if we have some glasses. Thingiverse is something for some 3D models which we can use for printing. So it has some glasses, but I'm just wondering why they took glass itself. Okay, they have 3 parts, and then once they print it, looks good. And for parts we have 3 parts STL. What we need to build them. So he just used some filament to attach them. Okay, so just simple glass. Maybe we could take that frame and improve it, but again I just need glasses itself, or I can sit without the glass in glasses, and that will does he has any glass? And then it would be less attractive because we cannot connect LED to the glass. Yes, LED strip. And LED strip idea I liked a lot. So looks like it's very standard glasses, so if I can find some glass for that material, it would work just fine. And I can 3D print them. Okay, so today was some stream of relaxing. when I just look into ideas how I can make my environment more attractive, more up to channel name, what accessories accessories I could print just to, or I can make print. When I think make, I think a lot of printing, but it's not only the option, of course, to make them. So yeah, probably I'll do it as my side project. So whenever I have mood for clip creation and finishing ChatGPT work around shorts creation, short ideas, we'll finish that. Otherwise, we can do something all on hands. I need to set up my web camera to show my desktop, so you will not see it without understanding what I'm doing. So okay, that sounds good. And for glasses, we can generate a few more ideas, and probably maybe even include some text over them, like romantic on the top, developer at the bottom of the glasses. Yeah, but you should read it normally. So we need to design them maybe on paper first, then move it to the printer, to the object in Blender or whatever, and then print them, and do further adjustments. Okay, hopefully you have a good time of your day, and of course let coziness live in your heart and your surrounding. See you.